Welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, guys. In this one, I'm discussing how to use Canva AI image generator for custom blog graphics. So in order to begin, you just need to open up Canva and then click Create a Design. Then select a preset layout for your blog. I'll just go ahead and choose social media here, and I will choose Instagram post. Right, and at the left-hand editor sidebar, click on Apps, search and select Magic Media. Right over here, choose this. Right, and here, as you can see, we have our prompt bar where we can describe what we want to create. And to get clean, professional, and visually appealing images for your blog, your prompt should be descriptive. So I will tell you which descriptions you should go for. So you just need to describe the subject, so what's happening in the picture, specify the style. You can just choose from the Canvas presets, for example, minimalist, 3D, concept art, etc. Also mention lighting and color. You can just add details like soft pastel tones, vivid bright lighting, neon glow, etc. And I will give you an example prompt as well. So I'll just use this and generate. And as you can see, now we have 4 iterations of what I created. And Canva will generate 4 unique variations. You can click your favorite like this, and you can place it right on your canvas. So that is it. Enjoy, guys. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel.